We're going on a hike. Woo. Let's go. Hey guys, we're going on a hike. I just have to drop off a package to my boyfriend and then go to the hike. I'm also starving. It's 2 o'clock and I haven't ate anything today, so I think we're gonna go find something to eat as well. I was thinking like one of those smoothie bowl things, but I'm like hungry right this second. So I might just go to Timmy's, but we'll see where it takes us. So we're gonna do the Luskville Fire Trail hike. It's really hard, you're like climbing up rocks and everything, which is really cool. I love difficulty hikes. Those ones make me happy. So, stay tuned for that one. I also brought my drone because it is a beautiful day. And why not drone it up? It just fell. I have no idea. Anyways, I'm gonna go get food and then I'll check back with you guys. So I went to Timmy's. I got vanilla iced coffee with oat milk. And I got bacon turkey club. And I got my boyfriend a quencher.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So I just got to Luskville Trail with Emily and I just set up the drone. I'm gonna see if I could take some cool drone shots of the waterfall and stuff. Emily doesn't think we're gonna actually make it to the top.
No, I don't. Absolutely not.
But we are. And let's get to this hike. Here's a little wench. Alright, we got everything set up. Let's go. Yeah.
I hear these voices in my head. I'm tripping. I'm trying not to listen. I'm distant. I'm trying not to lose my mind, but it's working me overtime. And I think that it's about time that I read the signs. You're other dimensional. No, nothing conventional about you.
We're an hour into the hike, and we are very high up.
But my back's against the wall. I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you.
We've been climbing up rocks this whole entire time.
I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you. I should have some self-control. I should have some self-control. I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you. I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you.
Hey guys, we just finished the hike, and we came up with a brilliant idea. Because YouTube's not working out. So, we're gonna be TikTokers for something very unique and mind-blowing and very interesting. And we know we're gonna make it big. And she doesn't want people to know who we are. So it's gonna stay a mystery. So if you find it, you're lucky.
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know if you found us on TikTok. It has nothing to do with the YouTube channel. And
70.
we're going 40 and a 70 right now just to talk to you guys. So if you guys find the TikTok, let it me know down in the comments. It has nothing to do with the YouTube channel at all. The name, nothing. It's literally the stupidest thing that's gonna make it. It's gonna make it. we're gonna be famous. We're gonna travel the world doing the stupidest thing in the world. That's all we want to do. We want to travel. So we're gonna travel doing this, and we already have millions of ideas. And this is it, guys. This is it.
This is our fucking big break. We're gonna make it.
Make it till you break, baby. Oh, just almost said it. Alright, anyways, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Have a swell afternoon, morning, evening, night, wherever you are. And go find that TikTok. It's hilarious. Bye guys.
See ya.
Sorry guys, not end of the vlog. We ended up at the casino.
Let me float around.
She's gonna teach us how to make an iced coffee.
At the casino. A little bit of ice.
Ice.
Some coffee.
Click that button right there. Just like that. Yep, pour a little out.
Maybe a little bit more ice.
Okay, make a mess.
If you like cream or milk, you get to decide. I like a little bit of cream. If they had almond milk, I would definitely prefer. And then you top that shit off.
She puts a lot of this.
Oh, you fucked up.
Is your name Freddy?
Nope.
You look like a Freddy.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
That's okay.
Have you seen the guy with the drinks?
Pardon me?
Have you seen the man with the drinks? Anywhere?
No.
No?
No, I haven't seen
He
him
was
tonight.
hang- he-
Maybe he's not working tonight.
He was hanging out around here, but we lost him.
Oh.
We're calling him Freddy for the night.
Uh-huh.
That's Freddy.
He's probably around the card table.
Okay. We'll
Thank
find
you.
him.
Okay.
Good
Win
luck
big.
tonight.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Iced coffee?
I am.
Immaculate.
We found Freddy. Freddy is coming. Freddy is coming.
Iced coffee. We're ready to play some games and win big.
Freddy told us where his cart is, and he told us he'll be right back. There he is.
Want some?
We'll watch his cart for him. I'll have some.
Just chug it. It's fire. It's good, right? That's fucking iced coffee, my dude.
We're watching Freddy's cart. Wanna say hi? Here's Freddy. We found Freddy.
New shoes on the way, on the way. Yeah, yeah.
Cause I got a heart. Cause I got a heart. Cause I got a heart.